This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Small woodworking projects are often underestimated, yet they are one of the most reliable and realistic ways to enter the world of craft-based income. You do not need a large workshop, expensive machinery, or years of professional experience to begin. What you truly need is a clear understanding of what buyers want, how to design projects that are easy to produce, and how to turn simple pieces of wood into items that feel valuable in the hands of customers. In today's market, people are drawn to handmade objects that feel personal, functional, and authentic, and small wooden projects fit perfectly into this demand. These projects are manageable, affordable to produce, and flexible enough to suit beginners while still leaving room for creativity and growth. In this narration, we will explore how small woodworking projects can become a consistent source of profit, even if you are just starting out. The focus is not on complex furniture or heavy construction, but on practical items that people use every day, gift to others, or display in their homes. These projects are designed to be approachable, meaning they can be made with basic tools and simple techniques, while still allowing you to add your own style and craftsmanship. As you listen, imagine not just the object being built, but the person who will eventually buy it, use it, and appreciate the care you put into making it. When you start thinking like both a maker and a seller, woodworking transforms from a hobby into a meaningful income opportunity. Small woodworking projects succeed because they align perfectly with modern buying behavior. Many customers today prefer items that feel handcrafted rather than mass-produced, and they often look for affordable pieces that still carry a sense of quality and warmth. This is where small wooden items shine. They are easy to display online, simple to ship, and appealing across different age groups. From home decor to everyday utility items, small projects allow you to test the market quickly, refine your designs, and scale your production without overwhelming costs. When you work with smaller pieces of wood, you also reduce material waste, making your process more efficient and environmentally friendly, which is another strong selling point for many buyers. One of the greatest advantages of small woodworking projects is the speed at which they can be produced. Unlike large furniture builds that may take days or weeks, many small items can be completed within hours. This faster turnaround means you can respond quickly to trends, seasonal demand, and customer feedback. If one design sells well, you can produce more without reworking your entire workflow. If another design does not perform as expected, you can adjust or move on without significant loss. This flexibility is essential for anyone aiming to earn profit rather than simply experiment. The profit potential of small woodworking projects lies not only in the object itself but in how it is presented and positioned. A simple wooden item becomes valuable when it solves a problem, enhances a space, or carries emotional meaning. Buyers are not just purchasing wood, they are buying convenience, beauty, and a story. When you design small projects with this mindset, you naturally create items that attract attention and justify a higher perceived value. Clean finishes, thoughtful proportions, and consistent quality turn even the simplest build into a professional product. Another key reason small projects work so well is accessibility. Beginners often hesitate to start woodworking for profit because they believe it requires advanced skills. Small projects remove this barrier. They allow you to master essential techniques such as measuring, cutting, sanding, joining, and finishing without being overwhelmed. Each project you complete builds confidence and improves your efficiency. Over time, this experience compounds, enabling you to produce better work faster, which directly increases your profit margins. When choosing which small woodworking projects to make, it is important to consider functionality and lifestyle trends. Items that integrate seamlessly into daily routines tend to sell consistently. Wooden pieces that organize, support, display, or decorate are always in demand. Simplicity plays a major role here. Clean lines and neutral finishes appeal to a wide audience and adapt easily to different interior styles. This does not mean your work must be boring, rather, it should feel intentional and well-balanced. Small design details such as rounded edges, smooth surfaces, and subtle grain alignment elevate your work and distinguish it from lower quality alternatives. Consistency is another factor that separates profitable woodworking from casual crafting. When customers see that your products follow a recognizable style or standard, they begin to trust your brand. Small projects make it easier to maintain this consistency because they are easier to replicate. You can refine a design through repetition, improving your workflow and reducing mistakes. This repetition also allows you to calculate costs accurately, helping you price your products in a way that ensures profit while remaining competitive. Selling small woodworking projects also opens the door to customization, which significantly increases perceived value. Simple adjustments such as size variations, finish options, or personalized details allow customers to feel involved in the creation process. Customization does not need to be complex to be effective. Even small changes can justify a higher price and create a stronger connection between the buyer and the product. This emotional connection often leads to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth recommendations. Another important aspect of profitability is material selection. Small projects allow you to use offcuts, reclaimed wood, or affordable lumber efficiently. This keeps your costs low while adding character to your products. Reclaimed wood, in particular, carries a story that many buyers appreciate. When presented honestly and finished well, it can become a strong selling point rather than a compromise. By learning how to work with different types of wood and understanding their characteristics, you expand your creative options while maintaining control over expenses. Packaging and presentation also play a significant role in selling small woodworking projects. Because these items are often purchased as gifts or decorative accents, how they are delivered matters. Clean, protective packaging combined with simple branding enhances the customer experience and reinforces the value of your work. Even a modest investment in presentation can lead to higher customer satisfaction and positive reviews, which are essential for long-term success. Marketing small woodworking projects is more manageable than promoting large furniture pieces. Photos and videos of smaller items are easier to create and share, especially on social media platforms. You can showcase details, demonstrate usage, and tell the story behind each piece in a way that resonates with viewers. Over time, this visual storytelling builds trust and recognition, helping your products stand out in a crowded marketplace. As your confidence grows, small woodworking projects can become the foundation for a sustainable creative business. They allow you to learn pricing strategies, customer communication, and production planning without overwhelming risk. Each sale provides feedback, each project improves your skill, and each satisfied customer strengthens your reputation. The simplicity of these projects does not limit your potential, instead, it provides a stable base from which you can expand. Small woodworking projects prove that you do not need complexity to achieve success. With thoughtful design, consistent quality, and an understanding of what customers value, even the simplest wooden items can generate meaningful profit. These projects offer a practical entry point into woodworking as a business, allowing you to grow at your own pace while building real-world skills and confidence. Whether you are crafting in a small workspace or experimenting with your first designs, each project you complete brings you closer to turning creativity into income. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.